Hi guys, in this video I'm going to do a quick review on the Manzoku LED strip lights. They are Wi-Fi compatible, so you can connect to your smart home and then turn on and off the lights, change the colors, do whatever you want. Let me show you the box. Here it is. So here's the box for the Manzoku LED strip lights. Here's the email address in case you need service afterwards, manzokuservice@outlook.com. So here it is. So this one is better than a couple others because number one, it's got a much smaller power supply right in here. It's got the smart Wi-Fi controller here. You need to use the eWeLink app, but it also has a remote control for controlling it locally. Here's mounting strips, and in here is the LED strip light. So I'm going to open it up and show you how to use it. So here it is all set up. I'm going to show you plugged in right over here. And here's the power supply right here. Let's change the light. Let's turn it white. Right here is the Wi-Fi module. This connects to your Wi-Fi, and it also connects to the controller. And then it plugs in to here. So I'm going to change a couple color lights to show you how it looks. You can see how it lights up the room. So obviously this is all coiled up, but you would unroll it to and stick it around your room. And it also has options like flashing, or here's a strobe. This one's fade, and this one is smooth. Or you could pick a specific color, and you could change the brightness. You can make it dimmer, and I can make it brighter. Okay, Google, turn on the living room lights. So here, once again, is the controller. I'm just doing it in a little better lighting so you can see it. Here's the remote. And connect to your Wi-Fi to control everything. Don't forget to download the eWeLink app. Connect it to Alexa or Google Assistant. You make sure to connect that skill, and then you could control it with your voice just by turning it on and off. You would just say, turn on, lights color green or whatever it is. Thanks for watching my review on the LED strip lights by Manzoku. And this says the remote for Spider Z. Thanks. Have an awesome day.